Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over some possible fixes for latency or delay in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. What Bandlab is, it is a free online piece of software which you can use to either record or modify audio. You can either record your voice using your microphone, or you can record online instruments such as MIDI virtual instruments. You can make a beat, you can record virtual guitars, and so on and so forth, and you can create a pretty good melody, song, whatever you would like through this application. Now, as with any applications which require input through devices, you might experience some latency. This depends on a lot of factors, such as using Bluetooth devices that can also induce latency, but there just might be some glitch in the system which you can fix, and I'll be showing you how to fix it here using this article. As you can see, the article is by Bandlab support. It's how do I troubleshoot latency, and I'll be showing you how to do it right now. You have all these separate issues, but usually fixing your latency is just done by redoing the latency test. To do this on the web, you just need to click on the tools menu at the top left of the studio, select the latency test, and once you unplug your microphone or your headphones, just click start test. And let me just show you where you can do that. Just click on the menu, go to tools, go to latency test, and then unplug your headphones and start the test. I won't be doing that, but you can try, and that should fix your latency. You can also do it on Android by retaking the test here in the latency fix by going to the gear icon and scrolling down and tapping on latency fix and retaking the test. You just follow the instructions that it shows you, and everything should be perfectly fine. And pretty much that's all there is to it. You can find your issue here on the How Do I Troubleshoot Latency article and try any fixes that it shows you here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you in another video.